What's up, Glitter Jewels? Welcome to my channel where we find a way to sparkle and shine. Today's video is about love. Now, I know, we've talked about love here, and here. But today, we're gonna talk about a special kind of love. We're gonna talk about the most important love of all, self-love. The truth is, if you're looking for love, or if you're ready to be swept off your feet, you're gonna have to learn how to love yourself first. And today, I have 5 glittery tips to do just that. Tip number 1, pour into yourself. Don't wait on someone to buy those flowers or take you out on a date. Take your own self out on a date. Buy your own flowers. Journal. Reflect on your life. Pouring into yourself is definitely a way to practice self-love. Besides, if you can't pour into you, what makes you think that anybody else will? Make a vision board. Track your goals. Go to the spa. Get that massage. Do whatever you have to do to pour into yourself. Which leads me to tip number 2. Do all of your favorite things. Go ahead. Take that solo trip. There's something special about a person who can go out and have a great time and enjoy their own company alone. Go shopping. Get a tan on the beach. Watch the sunset or watch the sunrise. Anything that makes you feel good. Some of my favorite things are archery, mini golf, axe throwing, and bowling. What about you? Tip number 3, be comfortable in your own skin. Yes, that's the highest form of self-love. You don't have the perfect body, so what? Love it. You got a big old zit on your forehead today? Love that too. You don't feel like you look like you should look in your clothes? Fix it. And still, rock it anyway. Why? Because you're comfortable in your own skin. You realize that there are no perfect bodies. There are no perfect people. So you've just decided to love yourself the way you are. Or, even better, maybe you recognize your flaws. Maybe you want to fix something that you just aren't comfortable with. So you begin to work on it. Yeah, that's self-love for sure. But whatever you choose, love you for you. Tip number 4. Another way that you can practice self-love is to take care of your health. Have you ever heard the saying that health is wealth? It's true. What's the use of being wealthy and having all this money if you can't even enjoy it because you're too sick? You have a bad cough or you have some pain in your back or your knee. Take care of your health. Get your annual checkups. Work out. Come up with a plan to manage weight and to manage muscles. Not only take care of your physical health, but take care of your mental health too. And my last and final tip number 5, avoid contact or being around people who don't really like you. It's like the old saying, go where you're celebrated, not where you're tolerated. I can guarantee you, if you have any success or motion in your life, there's bound to be at least one hater in your midst. Haters are tricky. Sometimes they smile and stay in your company because they want to be a part of your vibe and your circle. But secretly, they hate you. And even worse, some people will belittle you and try to slash you down and demean you right in front of others. Or exclude you or purposely try to hurt your feelings. Why would you bother being around those types of people? Why would you bother having a quote-on friend like that? I say, pass. Now, sometimes you have to work with people that you're not sure that you can trust. It happens when you're in certain organizations, and it happens when you're at work too. But just pay careful attention to how they treat you, how loud they clap for your success, or how quiet they get when you're successful too. Be cautious, but have fun. Have fun with those people who are on your team. Because hanging around your true and real friends is a part of self-love too. Now let's recap. The 5 ways to practice self-love are: 1. Pour into yourself. 2. Do all of your favorite things. 3. Be comfortable in your own skin. 4. Take care of your health. And 5, which is last, but definitely not least, avoid being around people who don't really like you. Well, my time is up. I've got to go. But before I do, a big shout out to all of my subscribers, both old and new Glitter Jewels. Till next time, bye.